Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Search Console for monitoring monetizable pages step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Search Console website. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Click on the Start Now button located at the top right corner of the page. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Once signed in, you will be prompted to add a property. Enter the URL of the website you want to monitor for monetizable pages. Click on the Continue button after entering the URL. You will then need to verify your ownership of the website. Choose a verification method that suits you best, such as HTML file upload or DNS record. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you can access the Google Search Console dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Navigate to the Performance section on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you can view metrics related to clicks, impressions, and average position. To monitor monetizable pages, click on Pages under the Performance tab. Analyze the performance of each page listed. Identify which pages generate the most traffic and engagement. Use this data to optimize your content and increase monetization potential. Explore other features such as coverage and experiences for further insights. By regularly checking Google Search Console, you can stay updated on your website's health. Continue to refine your strategies based on the data provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.